in this video, you'll learn how to create a poll in Slack. By the end of this guide, you will be able to engage your team effectively using polls in your Slack workspace. Begin by launching the Slack application on your device. Once you have opened Slack, navigate to the channel where you want to create the poll. It is essential to ensure you are in the correct channel, as this is where your poll will be visible to your team members. Next, locate the Add Apps option in the left sidebar. This is usually found just below the channel list. Clicking this will take you to the apps section where you can search for the polling tool. After that, in the search bar, type Simple Poll. This will filter the available applications to show the Simple Poll app. Once the app appears in the search results, click on it to proceed. You will then need to verify that the Simple Poll app is installed in your workspace. If it is not installed, follow the prompts to add it. This is a crucial step, as you cannot create a poll without having the app in your workspace. Once you have confirmed the app is installed, click on the Home button located in the top left corner of the Slack interface. This will return you to your main workspace view. Now, direct your attention to the chat box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you will input the command to create your poll. Click in the chat box to activate it before proceeding. Type in the command poll, and you should see a suggestion pop up. This indicates that Slack recognizes the command. Click on this suggestion to continue. Next, you will see a prompt that allows you to enter your poll question and options. Type in your question, for example, best day to meet, and then enter the options such as mom, to, and wed, separated by spaces or commas. After entering your question and options, click on the Send Now button to proceed. This action will prepare your poll for submission. You will then be prompted to click on the field labeled question or topic. This is where you can confirm or edit the details of your poll before finalizing it. Type in a clear and concise question that you want your team to respond to. This should be straightforward to ensure that everyone understands what the poll is about. Once you've finalized your question, click on the preview button to review how your poll will appear to others. This is an important step to ensure everything looks correct. Finally, click on the Create Poll button to officially submit your poll. You will see a confirmation message indicating that your poll has been created successfully. Now that you've created a poll, your team members can begin responding. Polls are a great way to gather feedback and make decisions collaboratively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.